A heavy security presence continues in the area, with officials from Nansana in Wakiso conducting site visits to reassure residents. Charles Luanga, the Nansana RCC, emphasized the importance of maintaining safety, particularly in managing traffic around the affected zone.
Agencies led by police are on ground to make sure that people are safe, make sure that nothing happens. We have the traffic police, which is controlling the normal movement of vehicles, and other informed personnel managing the crowds. So everything is in order, and we are managing well.
Wameme officials are working diligently to ensure that electricity-related hazards do not exacerbate the situation, aiming to prevent further power outages in the area. Many survivors, including the landlord of the affected properties, are mourning the loss of their belongings and loved ones. They are appealing to the government and the president for assistance in their time of need. Wakiso District RDC Justin Babazi expressed her condolences to the community and reassured residents of ongoing police investigations. She confirmed that efforts are underway to ascertain the total number of casualties and to support families of the victims.
As of now, the police is still investigating, and the police will come out with the total number of the people who have lost their lives, and those ones who are still admitted in the hospital. So as you talk now, we are still monitoring the situation. It is not an unusual situation, as you can see. But really, that is why we are here as RDC and my deputy RDC.
Later in the day, police facilitated the return of belongings to the families of the victims, ensuring that personal items were handed over before vacating the scene.
Byoyagala fe police tukyaliwo naye twagala ebyo ebikyaliwo bitereezebwe era bitandika okubikozesa.
Naye mundu osanze nga biki byonna ebyonoonese ebyoyinza okugamba nti bino biweddewo.
Ebintu bingi, laba emigaati, laba